Hi, welcome back to the BMW from Chapel Hill series. Today we're going to be installing this Hengst Cabin air filter into our F30. We've got a 10mm socket and a Torx 20 and our brand new air filter. This is part number 1987435-503. This procedure is also good for all F3X series, F8X series. Let's go to the interior of the car in order to install our cabin air filter. All right, now that we're in the interior of our car, there are two 10mm bolts on this trim piece that we're going to remove and then drop down. There are also two electrical connections that we're going to watch out for. We've got a 12-volt cigarette lighter and our light as well. So let's go ahead and get this removed. All right, that's one out. And that's our second one out. Next, we'll take our trim tool. There are going to be 3 snaps here at the top. Gently pry them away. And then as it drops down, just be careful. As mentioned, we do have our 12-volt which we can disconnect, and then we have our lighting as well, which we can gently disconnect. We'll put this somewhere safe to the side. Next, what we'll need is our Torx 20. There are going to be 3 bolts holding in the filter housing trim. We'll go ahead and remove those. All right, let's go ahead and get those T20s removed. There's one. And 2. There are also a couple tabs holding on our air cabin filter. Once we have that out, we can gently put it to the side and pull out our cabin air filter, which, as we can see, is pretty disgusting as we've had a lot of pollen recently. Good bits of pollen everywhere in here. Oh, some large debris. We'll get our new cabin filter and we'll gently give it a bend, conforming to the housing. And we'll notice that we face the air from the rear of the car moving forward, which is how the previous filter was installed, with the air from your rear to front. So that's how it'll pass through the filter housing. Let's give it a good bend. Give it a good squeeze as well, and then it should go up, and then we can replace our cover on top. Go ahead and get our T20. Nice and hand tight. Get our second screw. Nice and hand tight. We'll go ahead and get our trim piece. Plug our light back in. Get it mostly into place. And then we'll plug our 12 volt back in. And then gently find our grommets. Here we go. Gently push it back in. Everything is flush. Next, we'll reinstall our 10mm bolts. Hand tight, nothing crazy. And we'll do our second one as well. Similarly here, just hand tight, nothing crazy. And with that, we've installed a brand new air cabin filter in our F30, which would also work for F3X generation as well as F8X generation. Thanks for watching the BMW F30 from Chapel Hill series. Stay tuned for more episodes.